In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on your mobile phone, whether iPhone or Android, without downloading the application. So to do this, head over to your browser and search for chat.openai.com. So once you do that, you're going to be directed straight to this page where you can chat with ChatGPT. So you can ask for anything. For example, let's say describe AI in 2 lines. And when you're done typing your prompts, click on this icon here to send. So we can see ChatGPT gives us a response. But also need to know that if you don't log in, then you have limited access. You can click on the drop down icon here to log in if you previously have an account, or to sign up if it is your first time, or you can just click on the login button right up here. So I'm just going to choose continue with Google, and I'm going to choose which Google account I want to log into ChatGPT with. So now I am successfully logged into ChatGPT. We can see that the interface here looks a little bit different. Everything here works exactly like your ChatGPT application on your mobile phone. So you can just ask anything from ChatGPT here, or if you want to create an image, you can click on the plus sign here and tap on create image, and then you can go ahead to describe the image you want to create. Also, you can click on this icon here in order to choose the type of image you want to create. We can see different options here. We can see different types of images here. We have anime, we have photo shoot, we have retro, and so on. But if you don't want to choose any of these options, then go ahead to use your own words to describe the type of image you want to create, such as realistic, pizza, 3D, 2D, cartoon, and so on. So when you write your prompt, just click on the send button here. So when you write your prompt, it might take a while, but eventually your image is going to be created. As we can see, ChatGPT just generated our image for us. Is following exactly the prompts that we gave him. So when you do this, you can just go ahead and click on this icon here to download your image. Also note that you can chat with ChatGPT using this record icon here. If you just want to say what you want it to do for you rather than typing, then you can press and hold on this record icon here and talk to it, and it's going to generate whatever you want.